5 years after California's deadliest and most destructive wildfire ripped through the community and nearly wiped it off the map. Most evacuees moved away after the fire and never returned, but signs of a rebirth have emerged.
5 years later, and paradise is coming back. Only about a third of the original population has returned, so it has a long road to go. But signs of growth are all around.
Since the fire, the town has rebuilt more than 2,500 homes for new and returning residents. On top of safety improvements like installing 21 warning sirens, road widening for emergency vehicles, placing all power lines underground, and removing more than 200,000 trees.